Hi, Zaid.
Hi, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. What about you?
I am fine, ma'am. Thanks.
Yeah, this is Divya from Quality Department. Today I want to take a feedback video from your side.
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
Yeah, before starting that, congratulations for completing your course.
Thanks, ma'am. Thanks, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Okay. Yeah, like introduce about yourself, your native.
My name is Zaid Nissar. I'm from Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar. I have done BTech in Civil Engineering from Chennai and MTech in Structural Engineering from SRM University, Chennai. After that, I have 2 years of experience as a site engineer. After that, I have a break of 2 years in between as it was a COVID and I was very unemployed and I did after that freelancing. And after that, I came to Bangalore and joined here CMTI.
Okay, like how you got to know about CMTI Institute?
Ma'am, actually, I searched in Google and I shortlisted various institutions, and top, I thought that CMTI is very good institution, and I did very research also about this institution.
Okay, that's nice. Like which course you have joined?
I have joined BIM plus CACM. In these, a lot of topics they covered: reading of drawings, also BBS schedule, bargaining schedule, planning, management, and everything. And also Revit. Revit, they are also doing BIM, building information modeling.
Okay, like how was the trainer support towards you? How they guided you out?
They guided them at every step where we get any problems. They used to teach us and clear every doubts whatever we had in our mind.
Okay, like how was your software sessions? What all softwares you have covered?
Softwares, ma'am, Revit, it was AutoCAD, it was Enscape, V-Ray.
Okay, like how was the site visit? Which sites you have attended?
We had, ma'am, various site visits that I also learned very much that I couldn't learn that in my hometown. We had Victoria Hospital and Ultratech site was there, and various interior sites also was there. Finesta was there, and Homeland was there. Design Cafe.
Okay, like you are having a 2 years experience before joining CMT, right? How it helped you out with that
Uh,
extra, what you have learned?
Ma'am, as you know that in Kashmir it's not like that. Building plan is different also, and in Bangalore we can see different patterns also. So I learned very much about these buildings. Buildings also I learned. Interiors also I learned a lot. Yes, ma'am. Helped me a very lot, ma'am.
Okay, finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors?
It's a very good institution. You can come and get trained and also get the placements also, as this institution offers very good placements also in the reputed companies like Homeland, Design Cafe, etc.
Okay, like how was Ashok's support towards you?
He guided us way at every point. He cleared our doubts. He also took some sessions where we could get that management, how to do management planning. We can got this knowledge from him.
Okay, like how CMT app helped you out? What are the benefit of app?
It's a very good, ma'am, application.
Okay.
That lot of courses are there. You can also do it through app also. AutoCAD sessions, Revits are there, planning, management, Primavera, everything is there in the app, and it's very good application. And helped me a very lot, ma'am.
Okay, like that was a great talk with you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
for your feedback. Have a bright future, Zaid.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, thank you.